Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
For 12 years, you were Central Regional Secretary of the New Patriotic Party. This weekend, MPP goes to the regional polls. And then, any comments, thoughts to share, observations, what have you?
Yo, Chairman,
yes, Kwamena.
I'm sure some cocoa. I'm here. Waiting for pim. Can.
What you do?
Na into my Huani and basic queen. Then Macabila Shason. Pure and pure, Kwame. We are an identified group. Yami Bonnie Raden, a boy, baby man. Henchit, a baby man. Henson, a baby man.
Yeah.
Hemba, Homba, no more about Turdo. Which is Beresanton to Beresanton, the buyer, a baby man, a baby man mumba. Painful, what's it? Yes, you are pa a giant.
Yeah.
Ma Aisha says you so called brand name and Metwasi. That name for be money na sa for him my ya. Eji found with the agent and ado. And fe education na number. Intina say it's not one as I've been one. Nanentasi only mana. The in fact, the CH Muko or my Nico Pong, and Sutari Moiri mentioned Federal Sunday 19 chances Saba. Now, so I feel call my friend by Ninara, I feel Biarosi. It's a quite a kind, Nantassi. If you want Nantassi, it's a Nangan. Now, so Miss Nia, the chin, a baby man. A strong quine, a map boy. You were headed. You were there in chair pet. Say, I have Kuman and Hajuma. And Saba. Now, so Ubia son of yet. Ubia, quite me one of it. And the pair, sorry, in Texas, that Devon or
terrible,
an 18-year-old man actually elementary school Mofroma Tojum 19 we queen no was also teacher clock can we kun nansa na obebo kun no din kan kun nana a man ne pay ne kasa in there. I am sick and tired. Abaye isua American meme or the whole there. Kwame you back to school. I hagen bye. Jenka no bag denechi. That turns out to be the last. What it? But maba fabia what it? But we do not stop to be an identified group. Only not today. Only at the Dakuso. Nayaka, yahu. There, don't pim, strong qua. About the body garden on Yebuguha. Kwamena Duncan. Historically, that two men, no beef baby. Baba Shawda, who mode of land ownership, who mode of economic business, Nina oba transpose ni the about towards the door. Emma into mania a very good marriage. We continue to be where we are o Sunday. Kwame Nchen kan nananom we see our fado what the bohobra what the yehuman. All of a sudden in the course of time. Ne bibi ba ba hye hodo obi de ne de foforo bi ba hye hodo ne yentumi anya a very good confluence an emergence a obotum wa serve your course me yeda hwa yeda ton ma colonialism by independence yes we twado but don't twado because the forces are still very much at work. Hey, Bibia, Africa, Ghana, tied to the very persons or the very people who colonized us. Hey, economic arrangement and management. We are not on our own. And you let the young people on our own. The world economic order has been made in such a way there. On yet, the Wabotum, a you, Negunado. Enti na wa mentor daba bonizin nkroma kede let's look towards within say yankasa ebibi man yetum ye kan ya wubom ya ye de mansin inter trade where I have a certain comparative advantage as against Oboyi Otunukrom, na Senyangasa, you manage all of that within the African setting. That is what will give us the strength. Unfortunately, Yentuminya, them a shubana, Kwaminyan, and the Zusian or when it's room. And again, let me also put on record that even in his time, he had his contemporaries oppose him.
Yep. But Makani Kwame. We are an identified group. We are distinct. And so no matter the challenges, no one nina nature. Messi, what's the umpa with Jay? No one. It is not out of place. Let's not throw our hands in despair. And as part of your synopsis, the Accra account, the flooding destroys properties in Accra has met your ones of more rains in the coming. If we go back, who are here, about fatigue. Where to be used? Yep. I get there. Adorable. For as long as we continue to have our doorbell, we continue to have a flood bill. It is on the table for discussion. And see, I understand your concerns. I don't know if you heard me mention yesterday that there's a copy of the Daily Graphic doing the rounds. 18th April 1960.
Yes.
It was a Monday.
Yes.
And the caption is when the rains came to Accra.
That's right.
18th April 1960.
There's another one,
62 years. There's a 68 as well.
58. In fact, 2 years before.
The 61.
58.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before 60.
Mm-hmm. And see, but Masro, I mean, we should, as a people, we should not be finding excuses, alibis. In all of the things, some of the things that I have put across as maybe justifiable reasons why we should not have made progress up to this point. But I'm saying, no matter what, if we have not made those progress that we're looking for, those giant strides that people look us to make, we still an identified group. And I will continue to go for the AU Day. For nothing at all. We are a distinct group and we must continue to see ourselves as such. And see, on this special day, Kwamena, ma all kwada when you engine Adina, ma, it's a Kwamena name, ma, entire country. On this special day, Nananuma, Oba the boy, Mobo home, Mobo Gas, I see do. Mohoso, Moya, Maba, Mebudu, my house, Mabaya, Mobudu, and Council Modu. Meina, Tsimqua. Na mama, on bande, is what the AU day kake. It has to be a day of reflection. Painful Gasha would decay. Why it's comfort. Or the midday, what to me shame. Now, why a deep reflection. The member about tea. But the Motuma Yamada Dana, Masha, mother's son, Mobiswe tum about Chado Semiho or China. But let's not throw our hands in despair.
Thank you.
Yes. Now,
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.